Minister, you have just said there that the hospitals were contacted to see how many vaccines they could take, and you've heard there from Deputy O'Donnell that the 3,400 came to Limerick. So what you're saying here, so it's a management problem in some of the hospitals that they could not deal with the amount of vaccines. When in Limerick, where I represent, and in COVID wards, we are looking at people that are frontline staff. And I must say here now, the frontline staff, wholeheartedly, they have all the praise from me in the world for what they have done. From doctors to nurses, carers, porters, across the board. But when I hear that there's frontline staff in positive COVID wards not getting their vaccines, and there's people within management that are not directly involved in positive COVID care getting vaccines, that's a management problem. You have inherited this, and it has been seen for years that the HSE and the health system in this country is broken. And the rolling out of this vaccine proves it without shadow of a doubt, that mismanagement within hospitals. And at the first day I was elected here, I brought up about mismanagement. If you can't manage something, ask for help. It's not a weakness to ask for help if you're managing a situation. But the problem is, we've got a runaway train. And I'll go back to it. You've inherited this. So when you said there will be a full traceability of all the vaccines that have gone out, I hope this is not going to be like the mothers and babies, where we see 40 years down the line people are going to be apologising for mismanagement of vaccines going to people that are not front line. These people on the front line services have to get the vaccines first. Our GPs get an email saying, you're on the list for vaccines, and an hour later getting an email, sorry, that was a mistake. Mismanagement. It is not the carers' problem. It is management problem, and the management of the HSE and our health department are wrong. We need to get it fixed, and when this pandemic gets back up, I need your help to fix it. Thank you, Minister.